Hi, this is Mark with ShotRock. I'm going to do an updated video on how to add an external dial number. This number would be used in a case where maybe you've lost power or you have no internet or some kind of emergency and you need to call forward your main number to this external dial number. It could be someone's cell phone or maybe a different business or business location. You're going to need to be an admin to do this, and you're going to log into portal.startostar.com. This is the home screen here. If you have multiple locations, you'll use your pull down to find your location. And first thing you're going to need to do is add that external dial number. So you're going to go down on the left to call configuration, and you're going to click on destinations. Then you're going to use the scroll down here, click on the select, scroll down to application and find add new dialed external number. You're going to enter the number, and you don't have to put dashes in there, but for me it's easier to read. And you're going to add the number. Now, give it a good name. In this case, mine is test time and temperature. And now you have some choices. For your caller ID, leave it as default. It's going to pass the original caller ID, which means whoever's calling you, their caller ID will be passed on to whoever you're forwarding this number to. In this case, it'll be this number right here. If you want to forward all your calls and be done with it, the best thing to do is click on the rings for 20 seconds. You're going to make that 60 seconds. And then you're going to do the failover. You're going to make the failover hang up. So take a screenshot. This is how you would normally look. This number is going to be dialed. It's going to ring for 60 seconds, which means wherever you're sending it's going to handle it. If it's another company, it's going to go to their auto attendant. If it's a cell phone, it's going to go to that person's cell phone because you're done with it, because you have the last command here is failover is hang up. For some reason you wanted to pull it back, a little bit more complicated, make this 24 seconds. And then on your system, we can make it go to, let's say, ShotRock's closed greeting. And then our last choice would be hang up. So what's going to happen now, number is going to be forwarded to this, our main number is going to be forwarded to this number here, the 599-1234. We're going to pass caller ID. It's going to ring for 20 seconds or 24 seconds, which is about 4 to 5 rings. Then it's going to be pulled back and going to go to our closed greeting if the other side does not answer, or whoever the party we're forwarding the number to does not answer it. Within 24 seconds, it's going to be pulled back to our closed holiday greeting. And then that will take place. But in most cases, you want it just to be 60 seconds and make it hang up. You'll save, don't save that yet. Now, we've got the number in there. Now we want to actually forward our system to this external dial number here. Again, we're going to click on call configuration. We're going to go to incoming call routing scheduler. Your main number will be here at the top. You click on the pencil next to your company name. It may say like your company name and then BTN and show your main number. Click on the pencil and make that big so you can see it. And you're going to see something like this. You're going to have your default route. It's going to show what happens when you're closed, and you're going to see what happens when you're open Monday through Friday right here. Don't touch any of this because this is going to be temporary. We've lost power, and we're going to leave the building. We're going to forward our main number to somewhere else, but the power we put on will come back tonight. So what we're going to do is we're going to schedule down here holiday or event. Schedule a holiday or event during these times. You can schedule calls to be forwarded to another location, cell phone, a talk app, or however you want to do it. In this case, we're going to send it to that number that we just entered. So we're going to click on Add Holiday Event. We're just going to do it for today, single event. So we've lost power today, so we're going to just say November 17th. We're going to call it no power. And I always like putting the dates in there. It just makes it easier when later on when you start deleting stuff, you'll know you have the right one. So we're gonna, it's gonna be at noon. We've lost power around noon, and I'm gonna make it ring until 5 o'clock because power will be fixed before we come in and work in the morning. So here we go. I'm gonna go find my number underneath external, underneath applications, and there you can see my test number. And I'm gonna hit save and save again. Just reviewing, you can see we've added it here. Just going to edit it real quick for you to see. So we have today's date. Between noon and 5, we're going to go to this external dial number right here, the 405-599-1334. From my phone, if I dialed 8005, I would call it. But of course, I have no power. I have no internet. Can't do it. So we're just going to cancel that. It looks good. It's all there. We're going to hit save here. And we would hit save again right here. I'm going to hit that save. And we're done. So now we're scheduled. This event is taking place right now. If you call our main number, which is listed right here, it's kind of our fake the main number. You're going to go to this edit right here. Going to go to this number right here. All right. And when you're done, next time you come in to the system and you see one of these that, oh, that's an older date, just go ahead and delete it. Delete it, get rid of it. That way it's nice and clean. You don't have 50 of those adding up later on. Hit save, and then in 5 minutes or so, you would click save again to get rid of that particular update that you just did. All right, any questions? Email us at the help desk. That's helpdesk@shotrock.com, shotrok.com. See ya.